guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super healthy skillet seared salmon with dill cream paired with these delicious green beans. So I partnered with Home Chef to bring you this video. Home Chef, if you don't know what it is, it's a meal kit delivery service that delivers a box of food to your doorstep every week. So they save you a trip to the grocery store while making cooking at home very easy. And the way they work is they create easy, healthy meals for you every week based on your food preferences. And they also have a variety of meals on their website to choose from. I'll talk more about Home Chef later in the video, but for now, let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is the salmon recipe from Home Chef we're making. They'll send you a recipe card with all the instructions, so you don't have to stress at all. I already went ahead and seasoned my salmon with salt and pepper. I'm going to heat up some olive oil over medium-high heat. Then place the salmon into the hot skillet, flesh side down. Go ahead and cook the salmon for 2 minutes on the flesh side. Turn them over. Then we're going to finish cooking them in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And by the way guys, just to show you how fresh the ingredients are, they come pre-packaged in this refrigerated box right here. So they're very cold and fresh, which is very important. Okay, so while the salmon is in the oven, we're going to prep the green beans. I already washed and trimmed the ends of my green beans. I am adding some freshly minced garlic as well as olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and toss everything together. Then arrange them in a single layer and bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After they've baked for 10 minutes, you're going to sprinkle parmesan cheese all over them as well as silvered almonds. Then you're going to toss them around a little and place them in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. And just before I forget, if you want to save $30 on your Home Chef order, make sure you check out the coupon code in the description box, okay guys? So while the green beans are going to finish baking, we're going to make the dill cream sauce for the salmon. All you need is some sour cream. We're going to add the zest and juice of a lemon. Next, we're adding some freshly chopped dill, some olive oil, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together, and when your salmon and green beans are done baking, you are ready to serve. So this is what I love about Home Chef, and I'll never recommend a bad service to you guys. I use them on my super busy days, especially when I don't have time to cook, because they have everything prepped and measured out for you. And their food always comes out really good and healthy. And you can choose your meals from their wide variety of menu options on their website. So if you guys would love to try out Home Chef, I'll leave their website link in the description box together with a discount code to save you $30 on your first order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.